guys, so today we will celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival or the Mooncake Festival here in Taiwan. It's a 3-day holiday. Ipapakita ko sa inyo how we celebrate the holiday. Usually, pag ganitong holiday sa mga company, namimigay sila ng mga mooncake, pastries, and pineapple cake. May kasamang pomelo or suha. And then they will have barbecue outside with friends or family. But for us, siguro gagala na lang kami, then pupunta ng temple, then kakain sa labas with my sister and brother-in-law. So hi, let's do it. Guys, so it's still Mooncake Festival here and we decided to go we are with my sister-in-law and brother-in-law. We'll be planning to eat in Lalaport. Okay.
你要白饭吗？
准备那个备菜，我想喝那个可乐。
Already finished. Hi guys. So I just want to share with you how we celebrate the Mooncake Festival here in Taiwan. It's our Monday and Sunday. How we spend our day. On Monday we just go out, eat together. Then Monday ba? Monday we go out again, and then we go to temple. We plan to do barbecue like the others, but we don't have space for it. So hi guys, follow me and let's start our mooncake festival. We go now to the temple to celebrate the full moon festival. It's a Taiwanese holiday here. Taiwan holiday. One of the prettiest temple that I've seen here in Taiwan. Wait, let's go inside.